Welcome to the Young Founders Club. In today's video, we're breaking down how you can start your own small wholesale business. Whether you're a young entrepreneur or simply looking to expand your business knowledge, this guide will walk you through the steps to launch and grow a wholesale business with minimal investment. Plus, stick around for some recommended tools and affiliate resources that will help you get started. Step 1. Understand the wholesale business model. First, let's talk about what a wholesale business is. Wholesalers buy products in bulk directly from manufacturers and sell them to retailers or other businesses at a profit. Your role is essentially the middleman, and your success depends on how well you can source products and negotiate prices. Step 2. Choose your niche. Before you get started, decide on a specific niche. It's essential to focus on a market you understand or have a passion for, whether it's electronics, clothing, beauty products, or home goods. By narrowing down your focus, you can target a specific audience and tailor your marketing efforts more effectively. Step 3. Sourcing products. Now, let's talk about sourcing. To be successful in wholesale, you'll need to build strong relationships with suppliers. Platforms like Alibaba and Salehu make it easy to connect with manufacturers around the world. With these tools, you can find reliable suppliers, get the best prices, and ensure the quality of your products. Check out the links below for Alibaba and Salehu. Both are great resources for finding trusted suppliers and building your product catalog. Step 4. Register your business. Next, make sure you register your business properly. Most wholesale businesses will need a wholesale license and perhaps other local permits. You'll also want to set up a business bank account and keep track of your finances from the start. I recommend using QuickBooks for easy bookkeeping and managing your expenses. You'll find a link in the description below. Step 5. Setting prices and profit margins. One of the most crucial steps is setting your prices. You need to ensure your markup covers costs while remaining attractive to retailers. A typical markup for wholesale is between 20–50%, but this can vary depending on your niche and competition. Be sure to consider your shipping and storage costs when calculating your final prices. Step 6. Build an online presence. Next, you'll want to set up an online presence to reach a wider audience. Websites like Shopify make it easy to build a professional online store where you can showcase your products and manage transactions. Check out Shopify in the description below. It's an all-in-one solution to create a website, manage inventory, and process payments. Step 7. Market and find customers. Now, it's time to market your business and start finding customers. Start by reaching out to local retailers and e-commerce stores that might need your products. Networking, social media marketing, and email outreach are all great ways to get the word out about your business. For email marketing, I recommend using MailChimp to automate campaigns and track your engagement. The link is below. Step 8. Managing orders and inventory. As your business grows, staying organized becomes crucial. Inventory management tools like TradeGecko or Ordoro can streamline your order fulfillment process and keep track of stock levels so you never run out of products. Both TradeGecko and Ordoro are linked below if you need help with inventory management. Step 9. Scale your business. Finally, once your business is up and running, it's time to think about scaling. This could mean expanding your product line, finding more suppliers, or reaching new customer segments. Remember, continuous growth is key to long-term success. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to start a small wholesale business. Whether you're just getting started or looking to grow, these steps will help you establish and scale your business. Be sure to check the description for links to all the tools I mentioned, like Alibaba, QuickBooks, and Shopify, which can make your wholesale journey much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business tips, and leave a comment below with your questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching.